Hi everyone, it's Bob from A.V.R.E Models. Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick announcement. I'm going to join a group build. Jason over at Model Kit Stuff has started a classic kit group build. I think that's what he said. And the main criteria is that the kit that you build has to have been tooled before 1990. And it, yeah, you're not allowed any aftermarket parts except for decals if the decals that you get are naff because it's old. Um, but I thought that sounds like I really quite like the idea of that. And of course, my theme for this year is the 79th Armoured Division and the A.V.R.Es, and it just so happens that I've got this one. And this is this is obviously old. This is Matchbox. According to the information on the back of the pack, it's 1983 tooling, and yeah, I bought this off eBay. Previously loved, and the only problem I've got with it is one, the decals are that old, and two, there's no instructions with it. So yeah, instructions are available on Scalemates for mine, so that's good. So I can build it. It's not an issue. Um, but that's what I'm going to build. So this is the kit that I'm going to build, Jason. So sign me up, and I'll make a start on this at some point when I'm not busy. Anyway, keep an eye out for it because I will put it up as a build, and well, see you on the next video. Bye for now.